Hello students, welcome to your first lecture on Introduction to Computing. We shall begin by understanding the meaning of data. Data is derived from the Latin term dactum, which means given that. So data in this case may be a fact or a figure. Let's look at some examples in the form of questions that will help us understand what data is. Question 1. What is your age? To which your answer would be 25 years. Question 2. What is your name? To which your answer would be Jack. Question 3. Where are you currently residing? To which your answer would be X, Y, or Z. The answers given, 20 years, Jack, X, Y, or Z, are all examples of data, but are in an unorganized form. In other words, data can be defined as unprocessed facts. Let's look at some more examples of data. Number 1, an admission form. When students get admission in college, they fill an admission form. This form contains raw data like name, father's name, address, where he or she lives, etc. Number 2, student examination data. When students sit for an exam, their scores are collected. For example, maths 70%, chemistry 80%, etc. Data may take any form. Number 1, alphanumeric data. This is a combination of numbers and letters. For example, a PAN card number, PTKCO1DS, a social security number or an NSSF number. Number 2, text data. Sentences and paragraphs used in written communication, for example, the climate in different regions of Uganda. Number 3, image data. These include graphics, figures, shapes, for example, the images you're seeing on the screen right now. Number 4, audio files like human voices and other sounds like music or everyday sounds like cars, children squealing with excitement. Forms of data. Data can be quantitative or qualitative. Qualitative data doesn't have a measure and is used to describe qualities, characteristics, or categories of preferences like flavors, tastes, or smells. Quantitative data, on the other hand, is measurable and is used to describe quantity. For example, 10 boxes of fruits. Quantitative data is of two types, discrete and continuous. Discrete data has finite values, while continuous data has infinite values. Other examples of qualitative data are the survey of students' favorite fruits, and of quantitative data are what type of fruit is sold in what quantities over a period of time. So now you know what data is. So let's look at some other examples of data that you may collect in your day-to-day life. Number 1, the number of plants in your locality. Number 2, the number of students enrolled in ITC. Number 3, number of boys and girls in a class. Thank you.